I know, I know. We get busy, there are things we need to get done, and sometimes that means staying up late. But let's be honest with ourselves. Aside from those times where we just need to burn the midnight oil, we have some not so great habits regarding our bedtime. Hello, everybody. My name is Jeanette Gennaro. I'm a personal trainer and creator of The Naked Formula, where we encourage you to strip your lifestyle so you can live well in all of life's areas. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We started our Strip Your Lifestyle series not too long ago, so subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications for our weekly videos. I'm going to be the first to admit, I struggle with wanting to browse through my phone in bed. Heaven knows, during the newborn stage with my youngest, watching YouTube videos was the only way to stay sane during those 3 a.m. nursing sessions. Aside from that though, last night even, I really wanted to start searching for a chartreuse ribbon for our Christmas tree this year. It's October. Really, it's not a issue that should have priority over my sleep. Browsing through our phone in that night is not just that you're taking away time from sleeping. The big issue is that you are shining this blue light onto your face, and it's sending a signal to your brain to not shut down and not get ready for a nice long night of sleep. You may say, actually, Jeanette, scrolling through my phone makes me sleepy and it helps me fall asleep. To that I say, no. You're robbing yourself of being able to fall into a deep sleep that lasts through the night. I'm looking at you two people who fall asleep with the TV on. Let's talk about something called our circadian rhythm. Our bodies have an internal clock that regulates our hormones to help us fall asleep and stay asleep. There's a lot that goes into this, but today we're just going to talk about what is supposed to happen to our pineal gland at 9 p.m. This tiny little gland within our brain produces a hormone called melatonin that makes us sleepy. The steady release of this hormone also helps us stay asleep throughout the night, which in turn allows us to stay in REM sleep longer, which is where our body and brains recover the most. Our pineal gland receives a signal from our eyes, letting it know what the light situation is like. If it's dark, the eyes are given the pineal gland the green light to let that melatonin flow. If it's bright, it doesn't matter if it's from the sun, from your living room lamp, your TV, or your phone, your eyes will signal your pineal gland that it is not time to close up shop yet, so to put a hold on that sleep juice. In other words, the amount of melatonin your body releases is affected by your lighting environment. You're thinking, you got this though. I'll just take some over-the-counter melatonin and you're all set. Not so fast. Giving your body a supplement of something it produces naturally will down-regulate how much your body produces. Now, because this series is called Strip Your Lifestyle, we're going to give you some realistic tips other than working by candlelight once the sun goes down. Let's start with the simplest modification you can make. Turn on your phone's night settings or night mode. You can do the same thing for your laptop. You can also download an app if your device doesn't have these built-in settings. This setting will not only dim your screen, but will cause it to emit a more red or warm light as opposed to a blue light, which mimics natural sunlight. Limiting the amount of blue light you're exposed to at night is a great and simple way to increase your body's natural production of melatonin. If you're just completely unable to unplug at night, at the very least, go ahead and make sure that you're not flooding your eyes with this blue light. So this is a very simple switch all of us can make. The second step, After the sun goes down, start turning off or dimming the lights in your home. In fact, if you take a look at the schedule spreadsheet from a few weeks ago, you'll see that I indicate on here when you should start making your home environment dimmer. I have a lighting system from IKEA that allows me to preset my light to the temperature and brightness that I want. And I can change this throughout the day. At around 5:30 in the afternoon, I send my toddler to put away his toys in his room. As he begrudgingly does so, I have enough time to dish up dinner for the boys. When he comes back, I have the kitchen lights off and the light over the dining table set to the warmest temperature at a dimmer setting. Then during bath time, all the lights in the living room and in the bedroom are turned off, except for these. After the kids are in bed, we just keep these lights on if we do need to get anything done in the living room. Dimming the lights has become part of the kids' bedtime routine, but it also helps my husband and I unwind as well. All right, let's increase the challenge. I'm going to suggest you remove the TV from your bedroom. If that's too much for you, then at least do not watch TV in your bedroom at night. Watch it in the living room. And if you really, really want to set up some good bedtime habits, make sure that TV is off no later than 10 p.m. If that last one was a doozy, wait till you hear the next tip. I've already asked you to remove the TV from your bedroom. But I want you to make your bed at night a phone-free zone. I personally have taken this a step further and applied this rule to my mornings as well. When my little one wakes up at 5:30 to nurse in the mornings, I refuse to look through my email or browse through social media. I now use that time to set my intentions for the day, pray, and just allow myself to be in the moment before the rest of the day rushes at me. I understand life has seasons in it. Kids and jobs may cause us to stay up at all hours of the night.
Hey guys, Tim Stout here. The first thing I want to talk to you about is night shift. Let me tell you, I've done my share of night shift. It's not any fun and I feel for you. But a couple of things I've learned along the way to help out with getting some good restful sleep that might help you out. First thing I would say is make sure when you get home, take a good shower. It'll really help get you in the relaxing mood. The warm and hot water and the steam will definitely help relax your muscles, get you in that nice comfortable state to make sure you get in bed. The second thing I would go after is make sure you have blacked out shades or some sort of non-see-through shades, thick shades for your windows in the room. We were able to get our shades through Total Window, and let me tell you, they've really helped out a lot. It really helps to simulate a dark room, which will then help your body to release that melatonin.
Take these tips and apply them to your life as you can. Even if the only thing you can do now is change the settings on your phone and on your laptop to emit that red light as opposed to that blue light, that step alone will help you release more melatonin so you can have better quality sleep. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. If you have any questions for me or Tim, please leave them in the comments. For more information, you can also take a look at the description section for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!